Hello everyone, this is Shuraksha and this is my teammate. And I'm Jyotish. My teammate is Maheshwaran and is Prashant. We have built an app called COVID AR.
Today we are going to explain our app AR COVID. First open World AR, then it will open the camera. Point the camera at the ground, scan the place to detect a plane. Hit on the plane to place globe on your ground plane. Pinch two fingers to scale the globe. Use one finger to rotate the globe. There is a center point move that through the device around the globe to visualize each country's data.
Coronavirus data visualization using augmented reality. This app was created in Unity engine using AI Foundation plugin.
So the camera opens and you have to detect the plane on the ground. The plane has been detecting. Now you can click anywhere on the ground to augment India map. So you can see India map has been augmented in the real world. Now you have to uncheck this toggle. Okay guys, now you can see total number of cases, that is 6 lakh, and deaths and recoveries similarly. So in this map I have placed blue cubes over each and every state. Now if you move your camera to the cube, you can see the particular state data. Now it shows Telangana. Okay, if you move your camera to the next cube, it shows Karnataka data, and here it will show the Kerala data. So similarly for all the other cubes.
Okay guys, there is bar chart I have created for statistics. So it shows confirmed death and recovered. So as the date increases, the confirmed death recovery data will increase. So you can see it's increasing along with the date. Okay, that's all in the India map data. And also there is a game that I have developed for this app called Corona Shooter. Now I click Corona Shooter, it takes to my camera and the coronavirus structure appears as an object. You can click shoot to destroy the object. This game is currently under development and I have not completed developing this game. Okay, that's all I got. Thanks for watching.
And this is the contribution which is made by our team to make this COVID AR. If you like this project, you can like it and share it to your friends. And our next step is to create and statistical data through AR visualization by calling API calls from other or upload from the data formats. And the next thing is learn real-time objects which can search and load a model with the data and functionalities.